Good afternoon. My name is Jim DePrimo, and I would like to explain the client experience process for Raymond James. So it begins with connection. That is the first step. And if you look at this as a circle, we're going to go all around this board here. Connection's right at the top. Connection answers the question, are we a good fit? Do you like us? Do you trust us? And if the client does like us and does trust us, then we can move to the next phase, the next step, which is clarity. And in the clarity step, we are establishing if that client would like to have a financial plan, if that client would like to have a financial advisor to assist them with that plan. And if the client does want those things, then we are able to help them using the goal plans and monitoring that we have available, the GPM, that tool, to assist the client in determining what goals they may have and a plan to get to those goals. So we're establishing that, and then where we come in is there is usually a gap between what the client wants ideally and then what the plan is to get to that, to get to those goals. So we manage this gap right in the middle, and we can provide some value for the client at that point. And that value we provide is described in the strategy, and that is the next step. So we started with connection, we moved to clarity. Now we're coming down here to strategy. And in the strategy part, we answer the question, what will you do with my money? And that is the question that many clients have, and we want to be as forthcoming and transparent with them as possible. And we actually provide the suitable investments for those clients to help them achieve those goals that they set in the clarity stage. Once we have the strategy, then we have the communication next, moving right around the circle, strategy here at the bottom, and communication here. So once we begin communicating with the client, we never stop. The communication piece has to be involved in all of those steps, and it is a circle. So we are communicating, building trust, keeping that rapport going, and hopefully helping that client achieve all of the goals as they change through the different stages of life. And I hope you've enjoyed my explanation of the client experience process.